So we're going to talk about fronting today, which is all about car insurance for new drivers. So what is fronting then? It's one of them situations, and I'll give you an example, where you pass your driving test and your dad says to you, I'm going to buy you a car. You know, I've been saving up for a couple of years and I've got some money in the kit. I've got £1,000 for a car for you. And I've seen one, 10-year-old Corsa, it's a cracker. Goes and buys it, you're happy, they're happy, comes to get it insured, and the insurance company says it's going to cost you £2,500 to insure. It's a little Corsa SI, if one of them exists. A little sporty one for your son or daughter. And he says, £2,500? Why is it going to cost that much? And the insurance company says, well, they're a new driver. They've just passed a driving test, and it's a Corsa, it's a little sportier thing. That's what it is, and you've got no claim discount. Okay, I'll have to ring round. He's ringing round, he's getting the same sort of deal, and his mate says to him, why don't you put yourself as the main driver? No one's going to know, you know, and put your son or daughter as a second driver, the named driver afterwards. So the dad becomes the main driver and the son or daughter becomes the second driver, and you end up getting cheaper insurance, and that's called fronting. Right now, like I have to stress this bit here, quite important, it's actually illegal in the UK to do that, because insurance companies saying, well, you're actually deceiving them, because you're insuring the car as the dad is the main driver, but he's got no intention of driving it. The son's going to be doing the driving, and you're trying to do it to save money. So when they find out, they'll penalise you, or they'll void your insurance. So if you're involved in an accident and it turns out you're driving and just say you're 200 miles away from home or wherever you are, and you're driving around, you bump the car in London or up Edinburgh or wherever, and you're miles away from home and you're driving, and your dad's nowhere near, is on holiday for the next 2 weeks, your insurance company's not going to be happy with you, and they're going to penalise you, and they might even void your insurance, which is going to make it difficult for you to actually get insurance in the future. And the other thing also is, as a named driver, not the main driver, you're not going to get accrued no claim discount. So when it comes to renewal, it'll be your dad who gets it, not you. So you're not actually gaining anything out of it, apart from you thinking you're saving money, but in the long term you're not, because say in 2 years from now you've been doing that and you know you've been doing it's wrong, it's illegal to do it. So you're thinking, I hope I don't have an accident in 2 years. So you're driving like a granny, and 2 years from now you've seen a nice car, a really nice BMW, and you've saved some money up and you're going to buy it. Your insurance is going to be rocketing at that point if you try and get insured on it, because all the insurance companies are saying, well, you've got no claim discount. As far as we know, you've not been driving. You're as a name driver, occasional driver. But if you want to be insured that BMW, it's going to cost you £7 or £8 to insure. Something daft like that. I'm just guessing, by the way, it might be different than that. But do you understand what I'm trying to say? So the best thing you can do is don't front, all right? Just take the hit at the beginning. Just look around for the best insurance that's going to get you the best deal, but don't front, because fronting is illegal. Okay? Good luck with the insurance, and stay legal.